Hey guys, this is Rosius. Welcome to the Garimaji Poultry Farm. As our journey is starting point, we are on the foundation. This chicken coop you are seeing, it is 14 by 10 feet. The upper floor 14 by 10 feet. Then the down floor here you see, it is 6 by 14. That down floor, it carries 60 to 50 chicks, or 50 to 60 chicks. It depends on the chicks you want to rear. But if you are rearing for meat, broiler, 50 to 60. The upper floor there, it carries 120 to 140, which is the whole total of chicks that's going to be occupy the whole space. The down one and the upper one, it will be 200. That's where now the structure has reached. It's not yet to be complete. It's on process. I'm still on the construction. That's a clear view, you can see, guys. Main use wire mesh. Here down, I have to build another course of bricks where to reach on the stage of wire mesh and chicken mesh or chicken link. That's the route take me to the toilet. That one is this behind of it. It took 7 iron sheets to prove that. 7 iron sheets. If you are there and you have an idea, don't just sleep. You just have to work on it. That is my dream. And I thank God I've taken a step. I've taken a step.